My name is Soumya Chauhan, scholar of class 8B.
And my name is Divya Chauhan, scholar of class 8B, and we are from EMRS Kalsi.
Science model for science exhibition on the topic causes of acid rain and its consequences.
The purpose of our model is to create acid rain caused by air pollution. It depicts how the form of sulfur and nitrogen. It depicts how the oxide of sulfur and nitrogen from factories and vehicles come in contact with moisture, and when it reacts, the result are in the acid rain.
Acid rain is formed due to chemical reaction which take place in the atmosphere when the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen react with moisture. Sulfur dioxide, with the help of particulate pollutants get transferred into sulfur trioxide, which further reacts with moisture to form sulfuric acid, causing acidic rain. And other gases such as hydrogen peroxide also react with polluting gases, contributing in acidic rain. Similarly, oxides of nitrogen reacts with moisture to form nitric acid, causing acidic rain.
Material used in this model are cardboard, artificial trees, colorful sheets, toy cars, battery switches, plastic bottle, PVC tube, water pump, etc.
To make this model, we have used paper cardboard, and we have colored one portion in such a way that it shows a barren land which has been affected due to acidic rain. These trees indicates that they have been affected due to acidic rain. We have put a Taj Mahal here because Taj Mahal is one of the monuments which has been affected due to acidic rain. In the search of recent year, it has been shown that the color of Taj Mahal has been faded due to acidic rain. The area around our cloud, we have bounded this area with clay to prevent spreading of water. And we have left an opening here which would directly transfer this water into the container. In container, we have put a small water tube, and through this PVC tube, it would transfer water to our clouds. To make these clouds, we have used a bottle of Fevicol, and we have covered this with cotton over it, and we have also used multicolor fairy string lights to make our clouds attractive. On the other hand, we have made a factory which is having two chimneys with itself, and it shows that oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, when they reaches into atmosphere, through condensation they get transferred into the clouds and get precipitated as rain, hail and snow. We have painted this cardboard, and after that we have covered it with cello tape so that it would not get wet. This rainwater is flowing in the form of acidic rain. We have attached a small water pump here which would transfer water directly to the clouds, and that water which is falling from the clouds would automatically get collected in this container back, because we have left opening here. We have attached this water tube through a battery. We have used here puja dhoop to show pollutants which are coming from the factory. These cars are depicted here to show that the pollution from car is also adding in acidic rain. Perfect.